everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about cooking in foil. What sort of prep is that? Well, I'll explain that here in a second. But first of all, if you're new to the channel, please go ahead. Oh, wrong side. There it is. Click the red button down there that says subscribe on it, and then ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these. Cooking in foil. Actually, that is a skill that we're going to talk about today, is developing the skill to be able to cook in foil. And you can, if you do it right, you can cook some really amazing stuff in foil. Now, I'm not talking about cooking it and putting it in the oven, although you can do that. And that is a way to keep from having to clean a lot of pots and pans. You just fix everything up in foil and go ahead and cook it in the oven. But I'm talking about cooking it in a fire. A campfire or the fireplace or the wood burning stove. One of the things that we used to do as scouts, especially for the Cub Scouts, we teach them how to prepare meals wrapped up in foil and how to cook it in the campfire. And it's amazing when the scouts get older that they want to go back and do that stuff because it was such a good memory in their minds of, oh, this was really cool. We did this and it was really great. And generally, if you do it right and teach them right, they're not going to have any failures on it. And so it's going to be a good experience. And so basically, you want to make sure you have plenty of foil in your preps. There we go. We're back into preps. So you want to have a good number of foils, different widths. You want to have your narrow one, your big one, your big heavy duty industrial one you can get at Costco or Sam's Club. Foil also comes in different weights, different thicknesses. So you have your light duty, your heavy duty, your super heavy duty, and your industrial. So you want to have different ones for different things. And especially if you are cooking in coals or on a fire, you want to have the heavy duty stuff that you to wrap it up in so you doesn't actually accidentally tear on you when you're moving the coals around on it. All right. So make sure you have plenty of foil of different weights and widths, and then you're good to go on any type of foil cooking. All right. What you don't know how to cook in foil? There are some real cool books out there on Amazon. You can they're even on for the Kindle, so you can don't have to spend as much for the paper copy. But if you want the paper copy, they're not that expensive. Like $5, $6, $7, depending on which ones you get. And you can also check online for recipes and how to do it for Boy Scouts and Cub Scouts cooking in foil. All righty. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep on prepping. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.